Wow, look at this thing. It's even bigger than I imagined. $17.4 meters. Noted. Verified.
The hull is heavily corroded here. Note the structural degradation. Focus on the hydraulic seal. It might be failing.
Almost there. Okay, watch it go. Clear back. It's moving. It's clearing the chassis. Nice. That's one down. Watch the ladder. It's gonna lose. It's tight.
cycle the tusks. Smooth. Looks good here. Marking a spot on the shoulder joint. And one more on the tusk base. Done. Keep the angle shallow. Check for pinholes here. Notice the dry edge near the exhaust port. Heater array is stable. Good to proceed. Color shift is excellent. Metallic lay is on point. Let's dial back the reducer just a hair. Okay, reducer ratio adjusted. Gun settings updated. Terminal secure. Ready to energize. Powering up. Priming sequence initiated. Bubbles clearing now. Pressure stable. Cycle complete. Reconnecting main feed. Okay, oil is good. Coolant's coming up. Check the hydraulics, Bob. Hydraulics stabilized. Dry here, looking good. Thumbs up. All clear. Engaging transmission. Drive range 1. Brake check. Brakes applied. Jacks are clear. Suspension is settling. Check right height. The suspension looks stable. Monitoring the traction on the ruts. Heading towards the first checkpoint.